Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. We are going to learn 3 degrees of adjectives, part 2 in this lesson. I am Miss Bokra Glatzglar, freelance language teacher. Thank you for joining this free program. Let's warm up 3 degrees of adjectives. We have learned that every adjective has its 3 degrees. I here show you some examples. Clean, dirty, they are positive degree. Cleaner, dirtier, they are comparative degree. Cleanest, dirtiest are superlative degree. To construct a sentence with a comparative degree, you have to use the words than or more than or much than. For example, cleaner than, more beautiful than. To construct the sentence for superlative degree, you have to use the or the most. For example, the cleanest, the most beautiful. Let me repeat in Kachin. Xing deng shadan a madang masum. Xing deng shadan lengai krai ko shite sangai madang masum nga ai. San sang ai, san sang ai, tani go dan dong ai madang re. Grau san sang ai, grau san sang ai, tani go shdo yu ai madang re. San sang dictum, san sang dictum go, grau dictum ai madang ni re. Kayan shdo ai king tenda, shing do yu ai madang lang jang, ta grau ngwe ga pe pang ya rai. Grau dictum ai madang pe kayan shdo yang. Ta ko e, dai ga ni rai klang lang. Ra dictum go, dictum ngwe ga pe e pang ya rai. Clean, san sang ai. Kitchen is clean. Shat go go, san sang ai. Kitchen is clean. Shat go go, san sang ai. Kitchen. Shat go, shut up. You can use one of them. Cleaner than. Ta grau san sang ai. Living room is cleaner than kitchen. Do dap go shat gok ta grau san sang ai. Living room is cleaner than kitchen. Do dap go shat gok ta grau san sang ai. The cleanest san sang dictum. Bedroom is the cleanest room. Yup gok go san sang dictum gok re. Bedroom is the cleanest room. Yup gok go san sang dictum gok re. Dirty. San sang ai. Kitchen is dirty. Shat gok go san sang ai. Kitchen is dirty. Shat gok go san sang ai. Dirtier than. Ta grau san sang ai. The wall is dirtier than the floor. Shukum go ting niep ta grau san sang ai. The wall is dirtier than the floor. Shukum go ting niep ta grau san sang ai. The dirtiest. San sang dictum. This is the dirtiest room. Dai go san sang dictum gok re. This is the dirtiest room. Dai go san sang dictum gok re. Cold. Gashungai. Spring is still cold. Majang tong shi da go no gashungai. Spring is still cold. Majang tong shi da go no gashungai. Colder than. Ta grau gashungai. Autumn is colder than spring. Mangai da go majang tong shi da ta grau gashungai. Autumn is colder than spring. Mangai da go Majan thong shi da tha grau gishung ai. Autumn. 4. Mangai ta mutta. You can use one of them. All are the same meaning. The coldest. Gishung dictum. Winter is the coldest season. Gishung tago gishung dictum du krala do re. Winter is the coldest season. Gishung tago gishung dictum du krala do re. Winter. Gishung ta, nshung ta. You can use one of them. Hot. Getet ai. Today is a hot. Dainigo getet ai. Today is a hot. Dainigo getet ai. Hotter than. Ta grau getet ai. Hotter than. Ta grau getet ai. Tomorrow will be hotter than today. Put that go. Daini ta grau getet na re. Tomorrow will be hotter than today. Put that go. Daini ta grau getet na re. The hottest. Getet dictum. Summer is the hottest season. Gintong tago getet dictum du krala do re. Summer. Gintong ta, nlum ta, getet ta. You can use one of them. Summer is the hottest season. Gintong tago getet dictum du krala do re. Beautiful. Som ai. The sky is beautiful. Lumugo som ai. The sky is beautiful. Lumugo som ai. More beautiful than ta grau som ai is the night sky full of moonlight. More beautiful than the day sky. Shita tue tu ai shina na lumugo. Shanina lamu ta grau som ai e. Is the night sky full of moonlight, more beautiful than the day sky? Shita tue tu ai shna na lamu go, shanina lamu tha grau som ai e. The most beautiful som dictum. Everything is the most beautiful creations of God. Nga mga go Greg sang panda ai lam tha. Som dictum re. Everything is the most beautiful creations of God. Nga mga go Greg sang panda ai lam tha. Som dictum re. Ugly. Nsom la ai. Ugly duck. Nsom la ai khai piek. Ugly duck. Nsom la ai khai piek. Uglier than ta grau nsom la ai. Inside is uglier than outside. Kata maga go shingan maga tha grau nsom la ai. Inside is uglier than outside. Kata maga go shingan maga tha grau nsom la ai. The ugliest. Nsom la dictum. Which one is the ugliest duck? Gramatango nsom la dictum khai piek rai. Which one is the ugliest duck? Gramatango nsom la dictum khai piek rai. Good. Gaja ai, crack ai. You can use one of them. I'm going to use gaja ai for this example. My idea is good. Ngai a mit jasat go gaja ai. My idea is good. Ngai a mit jasat go gaja ai. Better than. Comparative degree of good is better than. Ta grau gaja ai. Ta grau crack ai. My parents' suggestions is better than my idea. Ngai na gnu gwa a pha ji jo ga go ngai a mi sat tha grau gja ai. My parents' suggestion is better than my idea. Ngai na gnu gwa a pha ji jo ga go ngai a mi sat tha grau gja ai. The best, superlative degree of good. The best. Gaja dictum, crap dictum. Now I have the best solution. Yeah, ngai gaja dictum matai lusai. Now I have the best solution. Yeah, ngai gaja dictum matai lusai. Bad, ngja ai. Fruits are bad. Namsi namsoni go ngja ai. Fruits are bad. Namsi namsoni go ngja ai. Was, comparative degree of bad. Worse than tha grau ngja ai. Apples are worse than other fruits. Mago si ni go gaga nam si nam so ni tha grau ngja ai. Apples are worse than other fruits. Mago si ni go gaga nam si nam so ni tha grau ngja ai. Worst, superlative degree of bad. The worst. Ngja dictum. Strawberries are the worst fruits. Ga chika si ni go ngja dictum nam si ni re. Strawberries are the worst fruits. Ga chika si ni go ngja dictum nam si ni re. Many, lolo or lo I. I will use here lolo for this slide. Farmer has many animals. Khai rem glo sha ai wa ko du sat du mieng lolo nga ai. Farmer has many animals. Khai rem glo sha ai wa ko du sat du mieng lolo nga ai. More, comparative degree of many. More than tha grau lo ai. Farmer has more crops than animals. Khai rem glo shai wa ko du sat du mieng ni tha khai mai ni grau lo nga ai. Farmer has more crops than animals. Khai rem glo shai wa ko du sat du mieng ni tha khai mai ni grau lo nga ai. Crops, khai mai ni. Most, superlative degree of many. The most. Grau dictum, lo dictum. Farmer used the most advanced agricultural machinery. Khai rem glo shai wa grau dictum. Madang so ai. Khai mu te sengai jak pe lang ai. Farmer used the most advanced agricultural machinery. Khai rem glo shai wa grau dictum madang so ai. Khai mu te sengai jak pe lang ai. I hope you enjoyed this program. Thank you very much for joining with me. Gai Jinghpaw sai.